Get ready to build a bigger, leaner, stronger and more powerful chest with this 5-minute bodyweight only follow along killer workout. What's up team, Conor Sloan here, specialising in helping men lose and want body fat and building muscle by mastering their body weight. If you're new here, I provide a lot of free follow along workouts, exercises and nutrition advice, all based around bodyweight training, so consider subscribing. But in the meantime, get ready and follow alongside me with this 5-minute killer bodyweight only chest workout. So team, the very first movement is going to be an arch or push-up. We're going to perform every exercise here for 40 seconds and taking a 20-second rest in between each movement. I'm going to be showcasing exercises as we progress throughout this workout, but as I said, the first movement is going to be your arch or push-up. We're going to perform this for 40 seconds. So, to show you how it's performed, your hands are wide apart, draw it down to one side, and then alternate to the opposite side. If it's too difficult, simply drop to your knees and perform the modified version. So what I want you to do is get as many reps as possible within these 40 seconds. Make sure you get the same amount of reps in each arm, and then move on to the next exercise. Push yourself to the absolute limit within these 5 minutes. Give it your all, take every exercise to absolute failure. Get ready and let's smash this workout. So team, 10-second countdown, get ready for your arch or push-ups. Follow alongside me, push every exercise to failure. Most difficult variation here, the arch or push-ups. As many reps as you can. Remember, drop to your knees if it becomes too hard. Good work team, keep it going. Try to get as many reps as you can within these 40 seconds. We're halfway there. Drop to your knees if you need. Very good team. The next one is your diamond grip push-up. Diamond grip, chest comes right down and touches it. Simple as that. Drop the knees on the ground if it becomes too difficult. So we're going on 5 seconds. Get ready. Diamond grip. Chest is on fire already. Control the breathing throughout the entire workout. "15 seconds left. Nearly there, 5 left. Brilliant work team. The next one is your pike push-up. So hips are up high, aim to get that nose right down and touch the ground. So we're really focusing on the upper chest, the delts, the shoulders, and even the upper back within this movement. So we're going to 4 seconds. Get ready. Here we go. Push out as many reps as you can. Keep it going team. Really feeling this in the upper chest. Brilliant work team. The next one is a close hand push-up. So hands chest width apart, come right down, touch the ground. Similar to a diamond grip, one of your hands is a wee bit wider apart. Really focusing on building up the forearms, triceps, and the chest. So chest width apart, aim to get the chest right down, touch your hands. Here we go. Okay, so chest width apart. Keep that back in that neutral position. very tough movement. Throw the breathe in, remember you can always drop your knees. Nearly there, 5 seconds, get on a few reps. Brilliant work, team. The last one is your wide grip push-up, okay? So wide grip, wider in shoulder width, right down, chest touches ground, explode right back up again into your starting position. This is it, this is the last movement. It's a killer workout, already. Here we go, wide grip. Try to hold it for a few seconds at the bottom of the rep. Really keep that tension. I can even feel this in the upper back. Keep it going, team. 10 seconds. So team, there you have it. There's your killer 5-minute only chest blasting workout complete. And that right there goes to show you just how effective using the most powerful machine in the world, your own body weight, can be to really push yourself and build your ultimate physique. And there's no reason why you can't go ahead and perform in our round or even in our 2 rounds to really push the intensity. But team, these exclusive follow-along workouts are based upon my Building Your Physique Bodyweight Only Transformation Coaching Program, in which you not only get your personalised workout routine, your personalised nutrition plan, but also these exclusive follow-along workouts that are based for you and your goals to really push yourself to the next level and build your ultimate physique. So if you're interested, be sure to click the link below and apply now. But team, in the meantime, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think of these follow-along workout videos, and maybe I will produce a lot more to come throughout this channel. But in the meantime, team, be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for checking out the video. For more videos just like this, please be sure to subscribe. If you're interested in working alongside me with my bodyweight transformation coaching program, click the link below. If you're interested to watch another video, click right here. But in the meantime, it's Conor Sloan here, helping you lose unwanted body fat and building muscle by mastering your body weight.